Yo guys, it's the Awesome Tag. You are back once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you my brother, Jackson, Charlotte. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, beauty. I didn't.
So today, guys, I'm going to be unboxing a wrestler. Tell me what his name again, just to see. Well, as you can see right here, whatever. Okay, so then I got this, so let's get started. Go.
Ooh, yay! They have
Hold on. There we go. And yep, so put this in front. Yeah. Oh, nice. Everybody know how cool he looks. Alright, he's tough right there. Okay. Oh, don't you stop.
Really?
I'm here. He's pretty muscular. Muscular, like it. Skinny. And this is what I got for Charlotte. Yeah. Yes, tell me if you guys like wrestling or Barbie, which I don't think. No big deal. I don't. Well, yeah, so, so unboxing video, yeah. So, this is unboxing video. I think he can bend his knees. Okay, he can bend his knees. Okay, hold on a second. It's just new at this, okay? Hold on a second. Alright, there we go. It was just tight because, you know. There we go. Can bend his knees.
You have some more
The other way. There we go.
One.
Hold on, buddy. There we go. Tell me if you think sometimes you have a hard time with your brother or sister sometimes. So yeah.
I want to have my chocolate heart. And I want some.
Then there we go. So yeah. Yes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys. Come on.
Mammy.
Say peace.
Two.
No, you have to be in the camera.
Mommy.
Peace, guys.